Dr. Phil Struck here. If you know me from school, I do a lot of noises that are pretty cool. I guess some people make me do them over and over. And I just think to myself, whoop-de-freaking-do! But whatever. So now I'm going to do some of the noises. See, once I go record something that I wanted to record, I can't remember all of them, so I'm missing some of them. And, alright. First noise I'm going to make sounds like a vibrating phone. And it sounds a little bit like this. And another noise that I make are, because I like diesel engines, buses, as you can tell from my hat, look coordinated for that second. So I'll start with Detroit diesel. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, we take off, take the air brake off. Air brake release, and we put it in gear. Start going, let off the clutch a little bit, give her some gas. And now we pull it off to the side, put some air brakes on. Then we put the parking brake on. Then we shut the Detroit diesel down. Now, my next noise is a Power Stroke diesel. I'm still working on this, you know, it's something that's in progress. Yep, progress, and I'm working on it. Alright, this is how this one goes. You start it up, it goes, you hear that, the glow plugs, then go, start it up, I still gotta work on that sound. Then we got the Power Stroke diesel, starting right now. I'm still working on the acceleration. I know this video seems kind of boring, but I'm sure many people that would, I know quite a few people that would actually enjoy that. Now, let's see, what other noises did I miss? I don't know what other noises I missed. I mean, I got, I could talk like this. Hang on, let me take this stupid frame picture off. It won't come off. Oh no. Alright. Oh crap, now it's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up! Oh my god! Alright. Another noise. Oh darn. I can't remember what I said. See, because I forget everything. Another, I could talk in sort of a deeper voice. Holy shnikey! Or I type this, hey, what are you doing? I am so hungry because I have this mass amount of fat. It just gets in my way, but I'm hungry. But, like my global teacher will say, Mr. Perry, scarcity because he's bald, and surplus because he's fat. Yeah. So, yeah. Those are some of my noises. Anybody from school watches this video, comment and leave me a note on what noise I forgot. I don't think I've forgotten any, but I know I have forgotten quite a few, but I just don't know what they are yet. So, please enjoy the video, subscribe, comment. Alright, thank you.